Get into your meditation posture and breathe. This meditation is meant to restore equanimity during times of stress. Focus on where your body meets the surface below you. It feels solid and real. But it is not actually solid. What you're feeling is the energy signature of your body interacting with the atomic field of the surface below you. Become aware of this space, the space between you and the surface below you. Now, become aware of the space inside your body. Atoms inside you, whirling in space. Be aware of the spaciousness within your body. Imagine yourself, your body, as an empty vessel. Imagine it filled with light, luminous and weightless. Now within this luminous body, your light body, imagine 3 syllables: Om, Ah, Hum. Om is glowing in white between the eyebrows. Ah is radiant red at the throat. Hum is brilliant blue in the center of your chest. Focus on the white Om at the third eye. Imagine a stream of light pouring out from here, filling your body and your aura, aligning your actions and reactions with the frequency of the Om. Chant silently, Om, Om, Om. Om, Ah, Hum. And bring your attention to the red Ah syllable at your throat. And imagine a stream of red light pouring from the Ah, filling your body, your mind, and your power of speech. The Ah vibration finds all the hard words ever spoken and burns away the harshness, restoring balance. Intone silently the Ah syllable as this healing takes place. Ah, ah, ah. Om, Ah, Hum. The Hum is the sacred vibration of equanimity. Focus on your heart center, on the blue Hum pulsing there. The Hum vibration balances the ebb and flow of desire and fear. Imagine a river of blue light pouring from your heart, filling your body and your aura. The Hum opens your mind to a new perspective, one where you know all is well. Silently repeat the healing syllable, Hum, Hum, Hum. Om, Ah, Hum. Now imagine all three syllables, Om, Ah, Hum, are simultaneously streaming their luminescence in all directions. White, red, blue light streams. As their vibrations radiate outward, you expand also into that infinite flow. In harmony with life itself. Let everything go and just be. As you silently intone Om, Ah, Hum, and blend into the great ocean of being. Om, Ah, Hum. Now draw the 3 rays of light back into your body. Call them back into their places. Om, Ah, Hum. And let the Om settle deep inside your head. The Ah melts into your throat. And Hum quietly hums in your heart center. Bring your attention to your breath. Become aware of your physical body. And whenever you feel out of sorts, remember, harmony is as close as Om, Ah, Hum. When you are ready, open your eyes. Namaste.